Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Ibrahim. Today we are creating a powerful Dofollow profile backlink. Everyone create profile backlink easily, but they don't get a powerful backlink. As a SEO specialist can give you the powerful backlink to the same website. So I started. Please stay with my video. This is my rescue DR95. These are 0% spam score and it's Dofollow backlink. I'm creating backlink on this site. My keyword is rank your website on Google. This is my link and this is a short description. So let's start. Sign up. Remember one thing, when you create or you think you create a powerful backlink, then always try or always change your location to United States. I changed my place to use this browser version. Protect me. Go to change this Singapore, United States, Bangladesh to United States. It's make this website backlink powerful. Refresh once, press F5 to refresh. Look, it's refresh because it's going to the United States location. Now I press this button, sign up, click about this temp mail. Temp mail is mail is nothing packed. You can anywhere get it, your mail, and you can use a similar KSL password. Always use KSL password. Remember, you create a powerful backlink. So what is your keyword? Your keyword this. So what is your keyword? That keyword always give your name, username and the anchor text. Very simple. I use on it. Not all are capital letter. I just minimize it at Google rank. Then try this captcha, solve this captcha. This video is a long process, but watch this very carefully for qualityful backlink. Setting, yes, right, very good. Go to setting. It's a simple. Then another, here is a method. You can upload a picture. I have this picture in this file. Sort biography. I use this biography on it. If you have tried or if your biography is long one, so give a anchor text on it. Let's have a try. a put on this biography and this backlink, your website, sorry, here is my website, it's not my website, it's client website. Location, always try to US location. Here is a main thing, don't do it privacy to private, always do it public, because Google always like or always follow the public, not the private. If you do this, press this button to private, so Google never come here or never count your backlink. Our main target is Google will target my backlink and index on it, right, on their library. But because we want, so we'll never do this. And save. Done. Is verify mail sent to my temp mail. Now I am verify my backlink. Here is the anchor text. It's rank Google. It is the method. Your keyword is rank Google. It's your main keyword. This is go to the main, right? This is go to the main. We have look this description. This description is not go to the anchor text, not should. So we will go again and edit our remove the backlink or remove the anchor text. I remove the anchor text. It's done. Now is make a powerful backlink. Let's check is Dofollow or NoFollow. Here it is. Press insert. Have a check. Look, be careful here. There is no follow option. That means this backlink is Dofollow backlink, right? And its spam score is 0 and its TR is 95. Is very benefit or very qualityful or increase your ranking very high. One more thing to do for make it more quality, very easy. Go to discussion and find a start discussion. You will try to make a only one comment, 1+ comment. If you try or if you do 1+ comment, then your this backlink is go to the highly backlink like education backlink. So if you want rank your website, if you are not a SEO specialist, so you can hire me. I am the SEO specialist on Fiverr and Freelancer. You can hire me on Freelancer, Fiverr and freelancer.com. I am the 5-star seller. This is my account, you can show it. View profile. I'm the 3 years experience of SEO, so you can hire me for your website ranking or monetization. Need backlink for your site. Contact me so I can provide you good service. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe my channel and share more and more if this video will help you. Thank you. I will give my freelancer profile link on my description. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.